You know what, man? Since I posted that video, well, I didn't post it yet, but I'm going to, about the astounding receive audio that this FTdx-3000 has. And that's why I bought this radio. I, I watched some YouTube video, and man, from what I heard, it sounded like an old school vacuum tube rig. It sounded like my SB 101, and it does. This thing sounds spectacular, especially when combined with that subwoofer that I rescued from the side of a road and removed all the guts and just used the 8 ohm driver and stuffed the cabinet with sound deadening material, and it's wonderful for reproducing sideband and CW. Conveniently, my speaker has a peak right around 700 hertz, 800 hertz, so it does well on CW. But this transceiver here, man, what I forgot to mention is I'm constantly getting excellent comments on the quality of my transmit audio as well. And I did tweak the the equalizer settings. I always use it with the processor on and the mic EQ on, always. Generally, I'm running QRP when I'm not recording a video. But so I have adjusted the mic EQ settings. They're not stock. And the main thing I did, I enabled 4K transmit audio on this Yaesu FTdx-3000. If you want to do the same, with the rig turned off, press the TXW button and the CS button at the same time. Press them at the same time, turn the rig on, and then go into your menu settings and find menu number 104, right? I hope that'll clear. Well, so find menu number 104 and set it to TTBF. And once you do that, you've got 4K transmit audio on single sideband. And if you apply the right mic EQ settings, even if you have a severely low voice like mine, a low gravelly voice like mine, you'll get really good comments on your transmit audio as well. Even using the, I was going to call it a crap stock Yaesu MH31 hand mic, but I think I'll remove the word crap because it does a fine job. Sorry, Bob Heil. Don't need you. 73.